अपना ख्याल रखना, जल्दी आना, फिर मिलते हैं। I am Siad and these are some of the most beautiful words I hear regularly as I ferry people to their destination. Zipping off with my tightest grip, I am fully aware of the hopes and expectations that I carry along with those greetings. But travel safety depends on a lot of factors. The health of the vehicle, road conditions, safety standards of the tire, etc. And while engineering excellence is constantly delivering on this front, we often overlook the most obvious factor: good eyesight. Poor vision is responsible for nearly 20% of all road accidents. The risk of collision due to drivers' inability to recognize and react in time to a hazard or the behavior of other road users is a commonly cited reason for accidents in India. This brings to light the lack of a comprehensive vision test for drivers. SIAT pulls over to campaign for the cause of safety. In collaboration with RPG Foundation under Project Netranjali, presenting the campaign Travel Safe. Free eye health checks are provided to school bus drivers and commercial vehicle drivers across India. Tires are critically important to road safety. We are, after all, the only point of contact between the vehicle and the road. But our functioning also depends on the driver's vision and action. Through this campaign, SIAT not only promotes the importance of good eyesight, but also educates drivers on the expected quality of tires. While drivers get their eyesight examined, trained executives perform a quality check on the tires. This ensures that both tires and vision are in good health.
We would like to thank SIAT for organizing such a wonderful eye checkup for our drivers.
So we are thankful to them, to the SIAT Tires.
I really appreciate the initiative taken by SIAT Tires.
It is a very, very good initiative taken up by SIAT Tires.
SIAT gives spectacles to all those in need of refractive error correction and provides referrals to hospitals in cases of advanced eye problems. Through this campaign, SIAT endeavors to fulfill its purpose of making mobility safer and smarter every day. And we are especially thrilled to bring back our travelers to their loved ones safe and sound. Let's travel safe every day with SIAT.